Step 1, set up your working space. First thing we do is when we have this, we look if the formats are okay. So they are, you go to File, Options, and when you start a new project, you should know if it's going to be a long project or if it's going to be a short project. And you go into the schedule here, and you have a squeeze at this. Durations is entered in days. And let's say, yes, well, it's okay, we want to work on a 2 to 3 month project, it's fine. If you want to work on the 2-week project, you might want to put hours instead. So the duration, that's the length of the task, we leave at day. So for me it was day, so I just leave it there. That's the first thing. Second thing is automation. Why would you default to manual? So let's put auto. So we have auto there. And then we ensure that we have the key columns visible. I mean, for some reason you might not see them, but I've highlighted 5 groups, which is the task itself, which is a duration, the start and end date, the predecessors, and the resource name. So those are the basic tasks. So if you don't see them, there's something wrong. But what you can do is you can add it here. So let's say you didn't have the resource. You go down to resource and you add it. So I don't need it. I can remove this column, hide column. It's like Microsoft Excel. So I have my let's say 6, because this is consists 2. Finally, as we've seen before, if you have the timeline here, let's just try not to have too much clutter on the screen. So we go into the View tab and we tick off the timeline. And voila. So I have my workspace ready. Step 1 is done already. We are cruising. Let's go.